Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 2702 Robertson Avenue in Pittsburgh. This charming home is amazing with a great location. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. This classic home opens to the spacious fireplace living room with a custom wood mantel and sconce lighting with newly finished hardwood floors. This living room opens to a screened porch with a beadboard ceiling to enjoy a summer breeze. The living room is open to the entertainment-sized dining room with a beautiful archway and hardwood floors. All open to a kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, black appliances, and a breakfast bar leading to the back patio. The first floor has great additional living space beyond the living room as a family room. The excitement continues upstairs with 3 spacious bedrooms and a classic full bath. 1 bedroom with a large walk-in closet, all with newly finished hardwood floors. This private backyard is just beautiful, with a patio off the kitchen and family room for total outdoor enjoyment. This is a neighborhood of fine homes with easy access to the T and everything that the Pittsburgh area has to offer, including parks, shops, restaurants, museums, and more. Sports fans are right at home in Pittsburgh. Go Steelers! Notorious for its steep streets, Pittsburgh will have you fit in no time. With over 19 educational institutions, Pittsburgh is a great college town. And you can see it all from Mount Washington, with spectacular panoramic views. As you can see, Pittsburgh is a great place to live. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 2702 Robertson Avenue in Pittsburgh. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.